So today we are reading about SMB protocol. Task number 2, inside network services, which is inside complete beginner path on TryHackMe. What is SMB? SMB stands for Server Message Block Protocol. It's a client-server communication protocol used for sharing access to files, printers, serial ports, and other resources on a network. Servers make file systems and other resources, printers, namepipes, APIs, available to clients on the network. Client computers may have their own hard disks, but they all want access to the shared file systems and printers on the server. The SMB protocol is known as a response request protocol, meaning that it transmits multiple messages between the client and server to establish a connection. Clients connect to a server using TCP/IP, actually NetBIOS over TCP/IP as specified in RFC 1001 and 1002, NetBEUI or IPX, SPX. How does SMB work? Client, which is us, and a server, we request an SMB request and the server comes with an SMB response. Once they have established a connection, clients can then send command SMBs to the server that allow them to access shares, open files, read and write files, and generally do all the sort of things that you want to do with a file system. However, in the case of SMB, these things are done over a network. What runs SMB? Microsoft Windows operating systems since Windows 95 have included client and server SMB protocol support. Samba and open source server that supports the SMB protocol was released for Unix systems. Answer the questions below. What does SMB stand for? Server Message Block. What type of protocol is SMB? Response Request Protocol. What do clients connect to servers using? TCP/IP. What system does Samba run on? Unix.